guess who's back? Back again. Winamp is back. The last friend. I hope I don't get copyrighted about that. I think I'm a little bit late with the news, guys, but Winamp finally, after 4 years without any update, have updated. Now you can have this legendary Mp3 player in Windows 11. I'm going to download it and I'm going to try it. This part right here, I don't enjoy it. NFT, I don't know what you guys are doing with this. Anyway, now if you want to see all the updates that this have, you can check it right here into this forum post. But some of the most important ones are, for example, Windows 11 compatibility, playback of HTTPS streams, BPA support. It's one type of compression of audio files, a new working podcast directory, and way more things. So I remember this from long time ago. Was one of the things that I always use it, especially the thing that you can change the themes in there and you can do crazy things with the looks of Winamp. Guys, this brings me back a lot of memories, and if you are younger and you don't know it, you can try it out. You can go into the website right here, and the link is going to be in the description. I don't like how they set up the website, if I tell you guys the truth, but I hope that the software is still as I remember it. Scroll more down, way down. I don't like these slow websites. I'm clicking to download. Now it's only 10 megabytes, so you want to open the file, go into your downloads folder and double click into the installation file. Click into next, accept the agreements, next, and install. Let's check it out. I really want to try this out. You cannot imagine how long the last time that I see Winamp on my PC, this icon that I can see right there. Jesus, this brings me back memories. I hope they didn't screw it up. And this looks really good. The original one. Yeah! Winamp Classic. Now I want Winamp Classic. I'm sorry, but for the first time I want it in Winamp Classic. Next. I don't want to set up the file associations for the moment, so finish. Come on. Open up! What more do you need? Yes, open up.
Winamp. It really whips the llama's ass.
Wait! This looks so tiny! This looks so tiny on this screen. How can I set it up a little bit bigger? Can I also set... Yeah, it's modular. I don't set this bigger anyway. Well, in this screen, this looks really tiny. But here it is, guy. Here it is. Jesus, the years that I have not seen this. I know this is a silly video, guys, but if you are from my time and you don't know that Winamp is back, I hope this video have bring at least a little bit of joy into your day, guys. Now, the equalizer and everything. Thanks for watching this silly video, guys. See you guys on the next time. Subscribe and press like and all these good things, okay? Bye-bye.